Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. All right, so we are back with the Best in Class, the first book I ever actually taught out of, although the book had not been published yet when I started playing. And we're going to be going through Getting a Head Start, which is page 4. And on page 4, they show you slide positions. Looks like 5 different notes. And your bass clef and your staff, and then the natural way to start. So on page 4 and 5, if your natural note or pitch is that F, you're going to start on page 4. If your natural note is a B flat, you're going to start on page 5. So here's page 4. The first note F, play 4 times. Right, we switch to section B. The second note is the E flat in third. 1, 2, 3. Third position here. This is a whole step lower than the F. F, E flat. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go for that steady, stable sound all the way through. Letter C, Two's Company, the 2 different notes worked into the same song. 1, 2, 3. And section D, same notes, different order. And here we go. And the third note, this is our D note in 4th position. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1 more time, and that takes us to section F. 3 to get ready. This is using all 3 of the notes that we've worked on page 4, from the F to the E flat to the D. And here's that F. is called the fourth note, which is technically a C. Pitch C, part G in the book. Sixth position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then out here for 6. Working off battery and doesn't seem very happy. The sixth note, this is our B flat. We're in first position. B flat, F. You hear that difference, and you'll hear that difference when we work on I and J, the last two on the page. And here is the fifth note. And then putting it all together, putting it together, I. Right, and those are the fourth note and the fifth note, the C and the B flat. Now 5 makes a team, letter J, all 5 notes. Last 2 whole notes. There's no rest between. All right, thanks for watching. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.